All right, so we are in Algebra 2. Today's date is the 1st. Oh, I am using a line, not the writing tool. My bad. Today is the 1st of March. Date is correct, 3/1. All right, so when adding rational expressions, the denominator will be, use that word that we were using yesterday. It had 3 letters to abbreviate it. Starts with an L. Yep. The LCM. The LCM of the denominators, right? And then the numerator will be multiplied by what? No, so it's not going to be a 3-letter word or 3-word. Yeah, by the missing factor. And the missing factor of what? Of the LCM. And because there was only one minor mistake that I saw in the warm-up, we can, yeah, we'll just go through example 1 really fast, and then we'll be done. All right, so that's it. And this is the same stuff on Khan Academy. So factor, we're going to do greatest common factor. Nothing factors out, so go ahead and immediately do ninja star. All right, ninja star. 2 times negative 15, shout it out. Negative 30, negative 1 at the bottom, and I have 2x for my coefficients. What multiplies to 30? 15, 2 does work, but not for negative 1. Yep, there it is. 5 and 6. All right, and then reduce the fraction. Can't reduce the right fraction, can reduce the left fraction to x and negative 3. So this now factors to, we'll leave it as 2x on the top, and we have x minus 3 times 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5. And then that's going to be subtracting. So I'm going to subtract this guy. And now I need to factor the bottom. So 2x cubed plus 5x squared. There's only 2 terms. I can just factor out the greatest common factor. What is the greatest common factor? Shout it out.
X squared.
There it is. So x squared times, what's going to be left over then? Someone help me out. 2x plus 5. All right, notice that there's a 2x plus 5 in both of these. That means the left is missing something, the right is missing something else. I'm going to put a 3 up here. What is the left fraction missing? You can just shout it out for this one. We're going to go nice and fast. Yeah, x squared. So I'm going to do x squared top and bottom. What is the right fraction missing? So add an x minus 3. We need to distribute on the top. So if I distribute 2x and x squared, that's going to be 2x cubed. And I'm going to subtract when I distribute the 3. Let's keep parentheses here. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And I'm going to go ahead and distribute this negative so I can drop the parentheses. If I distribute the negative, it becomes a positive, negative, positive. Just change all the signs. And on the bottom, I have all 3 of these. So it's going to be an x minus 3 on the bottom, 2x plus 5, and finally an x squared. And when I reduce the top, I just drop the parentheses, and I'm done. I think that's close enough to be your final answer. All you have to do is drop the parentheses. After you finish taking notes, give me a fist of 5. How well do you understand this procedure? 5 out of 5 is I understand completely. 0 out of 5 is I didn't hear the question. So it looks like Chris and Teflon did not hear the question. How well do you understand this process? Chris, what are you at? 5, 4, cool. Yeah, that concludes the notes. So let's go ahead and work on the stuff on Khan Academy. It's just one assignment.